If you take one banana, 200 mils of milk, and put it all into a blender, what you get is, you won't even expect this, the perfect smoothie. Soft, creamy, naturally sweet with no sugar added. And the most interesting part, it's not just tasty, it actually has about 6 to 7 grams of protein, gently supports digestion, is rich in potassium, and gives you real energy you can feel. And yes, it tastes like a dessert, but without the guilt. And the best part, it takes just 10 seconds. Just blend it and it's ready. Now I make it almost every day, and every time I think, why didn't I do this before? By the way, a blender is a real must-have in the kitchen. I recently got mine and now I can't live without it. I'll leave the link and a discount code in the description. Go check it out. Highly recommend, tested personally. I personally order all kinds of things for myself quite often. Always trying new models, looking for something really good and convenient. Over time, I've learned how to choose and pick exactly what's worth the money, and this blender turned out to be a perfect match, just spot on. And you know what? I decided to show you a little bit of what I ordered this time for myself. Some small useful things, items for the home, something for the kitchen, something for comfort, basically everything that makes life a little nicer. I love sharing these little finds because I really appreciate when you can get something truly worthwhile without overpaying. So if you also love shopping, little joys, and want quality items at a good price, make sure to check the link. I'm leaving a discount code for you, my little way of giving you a nice deal. Great online store, trusted products, and you get a little discount from me. Enjoy, try it out, shopaholics, and treat yourself.